Aweda dininya no dininya ni ninya kete ni sila soyusa puagi no okogana no soyusa puagi.
Joseph.
Soyusa.
Jacob lived in the land of Canaan.
Soyakuni owedale korbila kodale koknaha.
He had 12 sons.
Awe oda pukwati chikira.
His older sons were jealous of the love he showed for Joseph.
Awe apukwala dosir pani awe asatmubala pala eweda apukwala mera soyusargani ewe duma.
His youngest son.
La mioda pukwachi soyusani awe ewe duma.
He gave Joseph a coat made of many beautiful colors.
Awe soyakuni heweda pukwa soyusale chikat bilama dale agima maweda la lugulugulugima.
And angered the other brothers.
Nodine nola a heweda chikat biyakuni awe adopue kwaga sirpani sadura.
The angry brothers plotted to get rid of Joseph.
Dopue kwala satota sirpani awe sirpakuto palaweda le awe gamahagweda soyusan no.
They stole his beautiful, colorful coat and sold him.
Awe sirpani o huguweda awe chikala gigid bini. Bodini awe chawguweda soyusano.
Sold to some traders for 20 pieces of silver.
Awe si chaweda soyusani chaweda le poleha bamakawda dua u. But chaweda le tina bikichino.
The traders took Joseph far away into another country called Egypt.
Noni pola puya dunia we si kichoweda soyusa le talo paji le talo de tola koweda le go Egypt.
Their brothers had lied to their father.
Noni dadopwe kwasir panya we si heki le apa u ni kanya paku.
They said they have found the special coat.
Awe si teweda pa a tiweda chikad bi.
But Joseph was nowhere to be found.
Nakimi me soyusani sa tiaba le oble sa tiba.
Jacob knew Joseph was gone and cried bitter tears for his missing son.
Pele soya kuna hula pukwa soyusa dole bane awe satimu bada howeda le sule sanilo.
While Joseph was in Egypt,
Pele soyusani oda le ko ijiabune.
God watched over him.
Kasaywa itakwato gigilo.
He also gave Joseph the talent of explaining the meaning of dreams.
Kasaywa ni hiweda soyusa le ta sita balotar kala miweda ta pata mimo bamo.
The king of Egypt heard about this talent and had Joseph brought to the palace.
Maniko ijia sopani awe na huweda le pasipwa baydagai la miweda soyusa digani bamweda pahesu la u.
The king told Joseph his dreams.
Propenini sopani teweda awe soyusale atamimo.
And Joseph told the king what they meant.
Mani soyusane teweda sopani ni tamimo na community pani.
God is saying you will have 7 good years followed by 7 lean years.
Awe da teweda no le ni tiniko puni ane tam ko weda nuini mot nuini puwelo kine no koine ko da phoda yake utoro.
And you must save extra food during the good years to feed your people during the lean years.
Pele awe no koni udota muta kwekane ne ba pakata o ale ntipu ko pwagon ba pata ola posirpa dilet kole ta kota kemhe bani ne ba diogin tipu ko posirpa.
The king was very pleased with Joseph.
No penini sopargani awe siblu awe da soyusa domalo.
To show his appreciation,
Le could do never da let a sibli sipuni no. Le soyusani.
he put Joseph in the charge of making the preparations for the lean years.
Awe da pataweda soyusa le awe keba hini da munda le keba tek to da ta ota ose pataweda le pergamo la ulo munda le ki hitaweda munda le tek to pata ota o.
When the lean years came,
Pele da kota yani sipa hene no.
Jacob heard there was food in Egypt.
Penini soyakuni na hueda ta o ule ko Egypt ka.
He sent 10 of his sons there to buy food.
Awe ani meweda apukwa sirpa agadi chini kile hiya weda ta o no.
They did not recognize their brother Joseph.
Pele awe padapu kwa sirpa ni letule soyusa uni awe sirsinya soyusa ba.
But he recognized them.
Mimi soyusa ni sinya awe sir gugilo.
He tested them and accused them of spying.
အဝဲစီတဖာနေမကွာဝဲတာအနေဆိုယူစာနေမကွာဝဲတာတော့ဘူးစီတဖာ
We are not spies.
ပြည့်မီပေါ်ကွာဝဲတာဖို့ပါ
They cried.
အဝဲစီတဲ့တော်ဝဲတာနော်
Tell us what to do to prove this.
တဲ့ပွားလေဘကဟိနာတာတက်ဥစားတမီမီ
Joseph told them to return to Egypt and bring their last brother with them.
ဖဲနေနေဆိုယူစာတဲ့ရလေဂီတကဒါကီလေကိုအီဂျစ်ဒအနေဂီဒါကီလေကိုအီဂျစ်ဒဟဲဆိုဝဲတာနော်တော့ဘူးခွာ
When they were all together,
ဖဲလာဝဲစီတဖာဝဲတာပူခွာခနေနော်
he told them who he was.
အဝဲတဲ့ဝဲတာလေအဝဲမီရမ်တလေ
They were frightened because of their cruel deeds against Joseph.
အဝဲစီတဖာနေဖဲနေဆုတော်နေပလီတာဖူတာတို့မှာနော်မီလာဝဲစီတဖာနေမဝဲတာတူခီတပါတော့ထော်တာဝဲတာဆိုယူစာစီတဖာခုနဝဲစီဖာပလီတာတို့မှာ
Joseph said,
ဖဲနေနေဆိုယူစာတဲ့ရော
God is great and brought me to save Egypt through your actions.
ယူအနေမီပလာဂီတို့မှာလောနော်အဝဲဟဲဆိုရလေကိုကြီးအပူခပလစီတာပိတာမှာကိုနေဖဟဲဘာလေကိုကြီးအပူနော်
Take food to our father Jacob and celebrate.
ဟိနေတာအော်တဖာလေအနေပပါဂောဒပပဆရကွာဂောဒခမျိုးမလာကပေါ်ဦးတော့တဆူဖိဆိုင်နော်
All is forgiven.
ခမျိုးဆယူစာနေပလဝဒအဒပူဝစီတဖာတာကမခဲလေလော
The end.
ကတော့တတဲ့နေကတဲ့ဝေဖေလော W တို့မလဲစီကနာဘာတာခေပူဟွေနော်